Okay, very good. Okay, so hoping that everybody is healthy. And did you all have assembly today?
No, sir.
Yes, I don't have assembly. Okay. Okay, anyways, if you're not having, then we can do one thing. What we can do? My voice is coming, no? My voice is coming to you? Is it reaching?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we can do one thing. If you are not having assembly, that's fine. And we can do one thing is we can meditate for a while. Clear? What we can do? Shall we? Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone is ready, no? How many students are there? 5. Diya, Shreya, Soham, Yisha, and who is this? Dhruvi or Monit? Dhruvi or Monit? Who is this?
Sir, Dhruvi only because he is my small brother. He have online class in this mobile phone also.
Okay, okay. That's why you have put the 2 names, no? Both of your names. Okay. Anyways, so we can, what we can do is, everybody will do this. Okay. You will have to close your eyes. Okay. Not more than 1 or 2 minutes. Just you have to close your eyes, and what you can do is you have to pray for 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. Not much. Everybody will do this. And you know for what you have to pray? For what you have to pray? What would be the subject? Can anyone say? What would be the subject?
Coronavirus.
Yes, very good. Coronavirus. That is the main subject, and the second subject is regarding our studies. Clear? Main is for coronavirus so that it can end. Okay? And second subject is for our studies. And as soon as possible, let everything get normal and let our schools reopen. Yes or no? All are interested, no? So that our schools
Yes,
may be
sir.
reopened.
Yes, sir.
So yes, I am also interested that as fast as possible schools may reopen so that everyone can, so we can communicate and we can learn. Yes or no? We can learn face to face, which is very little more good for studies. Means we can have a good experience. So let's start. Shall we start? Now what's the time? 8, 8, 8. Okay. So for 2 minutes, you no need to switch on the mic. Wherever you are sitting, just for 2 minutes, close your eyes and join your hands. Okay, you have to join your hands and close your eyes wherever you are sitting. Okay, and you have to, nobody will open your eyes and look here and there, because you have to, you are sitting in front of God. That thing should be in your mind. So in front of God, you should not act like here and this or here and there. Okay, you should sit silently. Okay. So shall we start? Okay, now it's 8, 8 till 8:10. Everybody will do this. You have to close your eyes and pray for these topics, this subject. Clear? Okay. As soon as I say 1, 2, 3, and let's start, then we can start. Okay. So here you go. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Now you can start, everyone. Yes, please start. pray for your studies also. Okay. I hope that everybody is doing this. Be silent and do this. Pray in front of God that everything might get normal. Pray for your studies. Pray for all the corona patients, those who are suffering. Okay. In your family also, if anybody is suffering, pray for them also. Okay. 1 more minute we can do, no problem. Okay, now you can open your eyes. Yes. Okay, everybody did this? Okay, now you can open your eyes. Yes, switch on the mic and say. Everybody done, no? Everybody
Yes,
prayed?
sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
Shreya,
sir.
okay, good. Shreya, can you tell me how did you pray? What was your prayer?
सर हमारी स्कूल जल्दी से खुल जाए और ये कोरोना वायरस जल्दी हमारी दुनिया से हट जाए और
Okay.
हमारी फैमिली
Say
सेफ
it in
रहे
English.
और मैं
Say it in English. Try to say in English.
बस सर इतना ही किया
Then?
मैंने प्रे
Only this much. Okay. Anybody else? Okay. Dhruvi, what did you pray? Okay. Hello. Dhruvi, can you hear me? Okay. Okay. I think Dhruvi is not audible. Diya?
now I tell
Yes. What did you pray?
my was and
Acha, no problem.
I pray for my friend
Your family. Okay. Good. Then for studies?
and I pray that our school. Yes, sir. I pray that our school
School
open
may
very
reopen
fast.
soon. Okay. Good. Very
And
good.
our study will not.
Means we might
Sir,
not have
हमारी
any
studies
disturbance.
बिना छूट
That our studies may go easily with no any disturbance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Means we can understand our studies even in online also. Okay. So this should be your subject. Okay. So every day we'll pray for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can start. Clear, everyone? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this you can do. Everyone, every day.
Yes, sir.
As soon as you join, first we'll wait for 1 minute for everyone to join. Then we can pray for 2 to 3 minutes. Clear? Then we can now see, after prayer we can do one thing. Just sit straight, everyone. Sit straight. Everyone, please sit straight. Wherever you are sitting, sit straight and do one thing. Take a deep breath. Then release. Take a deep breath and release. Okay, again, take a deep breath and release. Okay, yes, done, done. Only 3 times. That's it. Clear, everyone? Everyone did this also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, this should be done every day so that our mind may get little relaxed. Okay, before starting our studies. Okay, so shall we now start? Shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. The reason why did I say is because you are saying no, you did not have assembly. That's why. Okay, so that time period we can just 10 minutes. 10 minutes we can take for this. No problem. After 10 minutes we can start. Okay, every day this should be done. As soon as you come, as soon as you join the class, first we'll start with the prayer. Then after we'll take this. Okay, this exercise. Take a deep breath, then release. Take a deep breath and release. This should be done 3 times. Then we can start. Okay, so now we can start for today. Today we have done. Okay, now how do you feel? Do you feel relaxed, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay, so now can anyone tell me in the last class up till where we have done? What can be done today?
Sir, our
Yes.
history chapter number 1, interesting.
Chapter number 1 is
They have
done.
completed, no? That is
Sir,
done.
but our
Hmm?
worksheet you have to.
Yes, the worksheet we have to discuss today. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, my worksheet, I done it.
Very good, very good. But no problem. Today I will share the PDF with you. You have to relate your answer with the PDF. If it is correct, then it is okay. If it is not correct, you can look the PDF and you can write it down. Now one more thing. Let me tell you. In that PDF, the answers might be written in one word. But you don't need to write in one word, you have to write in a sentence. Okay, in that PDF answer might be in one word, clear, but you have to write the answer in a sentence. Means according to the question you have to make a sentence and write down the answer. Clear? Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, good. So now everyone take your worksheet, please. Take your worksheets. Everyone take your worksheet. Okay, did everyone take?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. So everyone has taken. So now let me share the screen. So I'm going to share the screen. So okay, we can start with the first question. Let me take. Wait a minute. Okay. Can you read the first question? Okay, who can read the first one? Who can read the first one?
Sir, can I?
Tracing changes.
Sir, can I?
Wait a minute. I will tell you who. You have to do one thing. Those are saying can I, instead of saying that, you can raise your hand. Put the emoji of raised hand. Then from that I will select who will say. Clear? Don't switch on the mic and say can I. So that will create a disturbance. Okay. Wait. Okay. Shreya, Dhruvi, then anybody else who wants to read? You have to say the answer also if you know. Clear? Okay, so we let's start with Dhruvi. Yes, Dhruvi, read the first question. It is introduction. Yes or no? Introduction
Yes, sir.
on cartography. Yes, read the question and
In 1154, Arab geographer
yes.
Dash prepared a map of the Indian subcontinent. Sir, may I tell answer also?
Yes. Everyone listen. Everyone else will listen. What's the answer?
Listen.
What is that? Al
Al-Idrison. Idrison.
Adrisi. What is that? Al Adrisi. It
Adris.
is Al Adrisi. Okay, please stay. You have to pronounce that properly. Al Adrisi. Can you see the screen now? Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it visible?
Yes, sir.
Wait, let it open. Let it open. Okay, yes. So this is the, see, the first answer is Al Idrisi. You can see, no? Yes.
Sir, I cannot see the screen.
There you might be having some network issue. That's it. Otherwise, it's okay.
Sir, my
Okay,
mobile
so
is
now-
connected to Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi network is full.
Wi-Fi network is full. Which Wi-Fi do you use?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's
Which Wi-Fi? Airtel.
Airtel.
Even I use that only. My network is fine. Okay. Wait.
Sir, I can see videos, your face, but I cannot see the screen.
Okay, no problem. Now I have not shared the screen. Now I am not sharing the screen. I am visible, no? I am visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
So the first answer is, everyone, if you are not written, can you wait for?
Written.
Can you wait for? Okay, everyone, please. Could you wait for a while? Only 1 minute. Okay, I am getting a call. That's why. Okay.
Okay, sir.
By that time, everyone do one thing. If you have not found out the answer, try to find it out. If any of the answer you have not got, try to find it out. By that time, I am coming. Okay? Nobody will leave. If you have not got any answer, try to find it out from the textbook. Okay? Wait for 1 minute, I am coming. Hello everyone. Yes, yes, please.
Yes,
Please carry
sir.
on. I'm coming. Just 1 minute. Okay, I'm coming. Uh, okay. Yes, everybody has done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now next question. Who will read and who will say the answer? The second one.
Sir, can I say?
Okay. Yes. Continue.
Who is a cartographer? Map 2 was made in the 1720 by a French cartographer.
Dear, that is not the exact answer. See, the question, what is the question? Question is, who is a cartographer? Means cartography, who is a cartographer? Means what is his job? What does he do? That is the question. Who is a cartographer?
Can I say?
Wait. One by one. What did I say? You have to raise your hand. Raise your hand. Don't say, don't switch on the mic and say, can I? Raise your hands. Okay, Yisha, you can. Yisha Panara.
A person who makes map is called cartographer.
Okay, good. That is the final answer. So see everybody, listen. This is the answer. It is already given in the textbook also. If you don't know, just look in your textbook. It is given. No, it is given or not given? Yes, it is given. In page number 1 only it is given. Cartographer means the person who makes a map. That way you have to write down the answer. Okay. Now third one. Raise your hand. Let me see. Third one. Third question. Only 3 students are always saying. Okay. Shreya. Yes, Shreya.
Yes, sir. In Aditya map, dash is where it should be. Dash and dash is the island at the top. Answer.
Dear,
South India.
how do you pronounce that? It is not island. How you have to pronounce? You have to pronounce island. There S is silent. S is silent. You have to pronounce island, not island. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now,
South India, North India, and Sri Lanka.
What is the answer? South India?
North India and Sri Lanka.
Okay, so Al-Idrisi's map dash, there will come South India. South India is where it should be. Okay, and Sri Lanka is the island at the top. Yes or no? Where it should be dash. Means Alidris's map says that South India is where it should be today. Okay. The second fill up. In second fill up, the answer will come today. T-O-D-A-Y. What did you say, Shreya? What did you say the second fill up? Can you say? What was your second
Sir,
fill up?
North India.
Okay, means South India was North India. Okay, okay, that also is it's correct, but you can write Alidris's map. South India is where it should be. South where it should be today. Okay, and Sri Lanka is island at the top. Means Sri Lanka is today also it's like an island only. Yes or no? So Alidris's map shows that Sri Lanka is at the top and South India is like today, as today South India is in bottom. Yes or no? So today South India is where it should be in the, means there you can write today or you can write bottom also, no problem. Okay, and the Sri Lanka is at the island that is at the top. Yeah. It's better if you write bottom. Okay, because South India is, it's where it should be. Right there today, because you know in that PDF the answer is today, means we have to understand that today where South India is in the bottom. Okay, so you have to write it today. So South India was like where it is today and Sri Lanka is where island it is in the top, according to whom? According to Alidris's map. Everybody understood? Answer number 3. Answer number 3 understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now read fourth one. Who will read?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. I will read, and who knows the answer, that person can raise a hand. I will read the question, no problem. Okay, the place names in Alidris's map are marked in
Arabic.
Yes, Arabic. What is the answer? Place names in Alidris's map are marked in Arabic. I explained to you this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Alidris's map shows
Yes,
the
sir.
location with which language? Arabic language. So the answer is Arabic.
Yes.
Now fifth one. Fifth question. The map by a French cartographer was made nearly how many years? Dash years after Alidris's map. This also I explained. How many years after?
600
600 years.
Very good. Very good. Very good. The answer is 600 years. Now last question. Gulame del Isle belong to which place?
France.
Not
France.
French. French is the language.
France.
French is the language of France. So this place is France. Okay. So first topic is over. Now second one. New and old terminologies. Okay. In that the first one, the difference between medieval and modern Persian is with regard to three things. Which are they? Which are they?
Sir, can I
Grammar,
say?
vocabulary, meaning of word change over time.
Yes.
Very good. Who said that? Who said that? Who gave the answer?
Sir, I.
Very good. Very good. So difference between medieval, good. The difference between medieval and modern Persian is regard to, once again I am regard to grammar, vocabulary and meaning of the words. That is the answer. You can write it down simply if you have not written. Okay. Now second one. Minaji Siraj was a Persian
Chronicle.
chronicler. Please note the spelling properly. Write the spelling properly. Chronicler. C-H-R-O-N-I-C-L-E-R. I have to write down C-H-R-O-N-I. Chronicler. C-L-E-R. Chronicler. Okay. And you have to pronounce in the same way. Chronicler. Chronicler. Okay. Okay, once again. Shall I say? Shall I repeat?
Yes.
C-H. Once again, listen the spelling. CHRONI, chronicler. CLER, chronicler. Okay, see, that's the spelling. Now third one, dash used the term Hindustan in the 13th century. Who used the term? This is also in
National state.
Who is that? Minaji Siraj. It's already given. Okay, if you don't know the spelling, you can look in the question number 2. That is the spelling. Minhaj Siraj used the term Hindustan in the 13th century for the first time. Okay. Now fourth question. The areas covered under Hindustan were dash, dash and dash. What would be the answer?
Punjab, Haryana and land between
Ganga and Yamuna.
Yes, it's clearly mentioned in the textbook also. Okay, if you read the textbook, you will easily know. See, in page number 3 it is given. Page number 3, second paragraph. There you can see it is given on which line? 5th line. Areas of Punjab, Haryana and lands between Ganga and Yamuna. Clear? The areas covered under Hindustan were dash, dash and dash. Everyone got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Once again I am saying.
Sir.
Punjab, first fill up Punjab, second Haryana and third fill up lands between Ganga and Yamuna. Okay. Now next question. Dash use the term Hindustan in political sense. Who is that person who used this Hindustan in political sense?
Delhi Sultan.
Who is that?
Sir,
Delhi
Delhi
Sultan.
Sultan.
No, it's Minaji Siraj only. Answer would be Minaji Siraj only. You can read it and find it out. See, it is given on Minaji Siraj. Where it is? Please find out in textbook.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it. He used the term in political sense after the lands between Ganga and Yamuna is there.
Yes, it is written, no? Yes. Minaji Siraj, a chronicler who wrote Persian, he meant the areas between, he used the term in a political sense for land. So who used the term? Minaji Siraj himself. So you have to write it down the answer as Minaji Siraj. Okay, now sixth one, complete the sentence. Babar used the term Hindustan to describe what? Babar used the term Hindustan to describe?
The geography, the fauna and the...
Yes, yes, continue, Joe.
The
Yes,
early
yes.
16th century Babur used Hindustan to describe the geography.
Only geography? It is given, see, in page number 3.
The geography, the fauna and the culture of the
The
inhabitants
geography, the fauna
of the subcontinent.
of the
Yes.
subcontinent.
Up till subcontinent you have to write down. Clear? Up till subcontinent, it is given in a textbook, page number 3. Last second paragraph. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last from 8th line, last 8th line you can see that. Babar used Hindustan to describe geography, the fauna and the culture of inhabitants of the subcontinent. Okay. Now 7. Ajnabi is a dash word used for a stranger. Which word?
Foreigner.
Persian.
Foreigner.
Answer is Persian. I explained you. In Persian, no, not Pardeshi. Ajnabi. Ajnabi is a Persian word. Ajnabi is a Persian word. There you can find in that also you can find in textbook.
Yes,
Where
sir,
you can
page
find
number
it?
4. Page
Yes,
number
page number
4, sir.
Page
5,
number 4.
6
You can,
line.
yes,
Fifth and
first
fourth
paragraph.
line.
Number 4, first paragraph, third line, bracket.
In that bracket it is given. Yes or no? First paragraph, third, fourth and fifth line that you can read. In Hindi, the term Pardeshi might be used to describe such a person, and in Persian, Ajnabi. Clear? It is clearly mentioned. That's why I am saying read the textbook, read the textbook. Okay? Then only you are reading regularly, they will be knowing, they will be easy to find the answers for them. Okay. Now 8. A city dweller might have regarded a forest dweller as a
Foreigner.
yes.
Foreigner.
Good. So this is a foreigner. Now historians and their sources. Next topic. What are sources? Who can say?
Can
What
I
are
say,
sources?
sir? Can I say,
Yes,
sir?
please. Yes.
Historians use different types of sources to learn about the past depending upon the periods of their study and the nature of their investigation.
Yes. Where is that? Means for what purpose or what are the sources? It is actually, we can say,
Sir,
like they're
page number
defining.
4.
In page
In first line.
Yes, it is. Historians are different types of sources to learn about the past depending upon the period of the study and nature of investigation. But if we want to write it clear, actually the question means what are sources means. It is asking the meaning of, or what do you mean by sources? That is the meaning of that question. Okay, so we need to understand the question. So what are sources? Sources are materials or evidence that give us information about something. That is the answer. That is how the answer you have to write down. Once again, I am saying. Once again, I repeat. What are sources? Sources are material or evidences. Okay, sources are material or evidences that give us information about something. Clear? This is the answer. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
So we need to understand what are sources, or why did historians depend on the sources, because they will get an idea or they will get an information from that. Okay, now second question, name some sources that give information about our past. Very simple one. Who can say? I explained you, these are the sources. 5 names. I told you to take the screenshot also.
Inscription.
Yes. Say, continue. No problem. Those who know, they can say.
And textual record.
Very good. How you to pronounce that?
Sir, can I?
It is
Some
architecture.
sources that give info.
Yes.
Some sources that give information about our past are holy texts,
Yes. Correct. You have to.
chronicles of rulers, letters, and teaching of science, petition, and
okay. Now may I say? See, these are proper sources. It is clearly given. I told you to take the screenshot from that PPT. I had made you because 5 points were written. Means 5 or 4 to 5. Yes or no? So it is coins, inscriptions, architecture, and textual records. Among these 4, which is the main? Which was considered as the main? Among these 4.
holy texts.
Holy texture or the textual records were considered as more important than all of these 4. Yes or no? Why? Because textual records had paper. Because in that paper uses of paper was increased. That's why textual records were considered as very important. Yes or no? Do you remember? I explained you this properly. Okay. So how do you write the answer? Yes, you have to write the answer this way. Who said that? You have to write with a sentence. So sources, you have to start like this. Sources that give information about our past are, then put number 1, then write points, second inscriptions, third architecture, and fourth textual records. This way you have to write down the answer. Don't just simply write down the answer. After reading question, then write down, don't just start writing coins, inscriptions, not like that. You have to write down in a sentence. First copy some part of the question and then write the answer. This is how you make the sentence. Clear? Now the third one, very easy. What are archives? Very simple.
A place where documents and manuscripts are stored is called archive.
They were placed in libraries and archives.
Yes, archives or archives. How do you pronounce? Either you can pronounce archives or archives, no problem. Okay. See, archive means they are a place where documents and manuscripts are stored. Manuscripts are stored, not inscriptions. Okay. And today you have to write down this also, this sentence also. Today all the national and state governments have archives where they keep all their old official records and transactions. Clear? This you have to clearly mention. This sentence also you have to write down. Understood everyone? See, this you can write down from about archive where it is given. In page number 5 it is written.
Sir, on page number
Yes, sir, in
5,
orange
it's
line.
written.
That entire orange
orange
thing you have to
box.
write down.
Yes.
Not
in
orange
right
box.
side.
Right hand side orange text it is given. Orange font, not font, text, orange colored text it is given. That entire thing you have to write down. Don't just write it's a place where documents and manuscripts are kept stored. Not only that, the next line also you have to write down. Today all the national and state governments have archives where they keep all their old official records and transactions. Understood everyone? This answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now next one, again very simple. Who collected the manuscripts? What are manuscripts? What are manuscripts?
A script
Manuscripts
written by
are
the hand is called manuscript.
What?
Sir,
What?
can
Once
I?
again. Yes, once again.
Script
Manuscripts
written by
are-
hand.
Okay. One by one. Don't say it all together. Otherwise, everything will mix up and the answer will become something else. Okay. I will tell.
Ruby, you
who will
read
say.
first.
Hey, don't talk with each other. I will say. Okay. Isha Panara. Okay, Isha Panara. Yes. What are manuscripts? What are manuscripts?
Scripts which are written by hand or man are called manuscripts.
Good. Okay. The manuscripts are the documents which are written by hand. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But here
Yes,
actually
sir.
what you have to write down, manuscripts are what are manuscripts? Manuscripts are written evidences in form of text. This also you can write down. They are written by hand. That also you can add, no problem. But along with that, you can write this also. Manuscripts are written evidences. They are written evidences in form of text. Okay, that also. These two lines you have to write down. One you have to write down. Manuscripts are written by hand, and they are the evidences in the form of text. Clear? These
Sir,
two
we
lines you have to
can-
write down.
Sir, we can write like this. Manuscripts are handwriting that are written on the soft surface.
No. That is not correct. Okay. That for understanding it is okay, but that is not the correct answer. Okay. You have to write down like this. Manuscripts are the documents which are written, which are handwritten, and they are the evidences in the form of text. T-E-X-T-S, text. Clear? Now, next question. Next question is, see, who collected the manuscripts? Who collected the?
Can I say, sir?
Okay. Yes, please.
Manuscripts were collected by wealthy people, rulers, monasteries, and temples.
What? Once again, everyone is listening, no? Yes.
Manuscripts were collected by wealthy people, rulers, monasteries, and temples.
Very good. Very good. See, yes, this is the correct answer. What is the answer? Manuscripts are, the question is, who collected the manuscripts? Manuscripts are collected by wealthy people, means those who are rich. Okay, wealthy people, rulers. Rulers also used to collect, means like kings or queens, and monasteries. Okay, and temples. Monasteries, or we can say temples, or holy places. There also these people used to collect the manuscripts. Clear? Okay, so that is the answer for fifth one. Now sixth one is a fill up. Manuscripts were copied by whom?
Sir, can I say?
Hand.
Hand.
Copied by hand.
Yes,
No, sir. It's scribe.
No. Yes, very good. That is the answer. What is the answer? Manuscripts are copied by, not hand. We are not talking about how did they used to copy those documents. Not that copy. We are talking about they were copied by whom means they used to understand it. Okay, they used to accept this thing. Who used to copy this? Manuscripts were copied by scribes. They wanted that. They needed this manuscripts. Clear? So answer is scribes. Can you say, dear, where the answer is? Where did you find this? Who said scribes? It is clearly mentioned in textbook. If you read the textbook, you will be knowing.
Sir, on page number 5, second paragraph, first line.
Yes, very good. See, it is first line, no? Okay. See, manuscripts were collected by wealthy people, rulers. Okay, they were placed in libraries and archives. What is the question? Manuscripts were copied by whom? They were copied by scribes.
Sir, on second paragraph, there was no printing press in those days, so scribes copied manuscript by hand.
Yes, that is correct. There was no printing press. That is why who copied? The scribes copied the manuscripts by hand. They used to write by hand. Scribes. Clear? The answer would be scribes. Understood now why this answer came? Not by hand.
Yes, sir.
Answer is not by hand. Answer is scribes. Now next. You have to write this with a sentence. Okay, don't just write the answer scribes. You have to write it as a sentence. Okay, now 8th one. The dash style of writing is cursive and easy to read. Which is easy to read?
Nastaliq.
Yes, the left hand side handwriting.
So seventh one is remaining.
Seventh one is remaining. Okay. Name the paintings that were used in manuscripts. Which are the paintings?
Painting.
Sir, can I
Miniature paintings are the paintings
Good.
that were used in manuscripts.
Yes. This way you have to write down the entire answer with a sentence.
Sir,
Miniature
page number
painting.
5.
Yes,
in
page
fig
number
one.
5. Yes.
In
Fig
right
1 it is
side.
written. Yes, right hand side it is given. Clearly it is written. Which painting? Miniature painting was famous in those times. Okay. So answer you have to write down as a sentence. So 8th one, dash style of writing is cursive and easy to read. Which is easy to read?
Nastaliq.
Yes,
Nastaliq.
Nastaliq is the easiest one, and it is given on page number 6. Yes or no? The left hand side handwriting that you can see on the figure, the left figure,
Yes,
not the right hand side.
box. Figure number 2.
The figure that is given on the left hand side is the Nastaliq handwriting, which is easier than. Okay. Okay. Now, dash was a handwriting style that was denser and difficult to read. Obviously, the right hand side. Which is that one? Shikaste. Okay, good. Now last one. When did Ziauddin Barani first write his chronicle? When?
Sir, can I say please, sir?
Yes. Which year?
The 14th century chronicle Ziauddin Barani wrote his chronicle first in 1356 and another version 2 years later.
Good. Write it as a sentence. Don't just simply write 1356. Okay? Good. Very good. Everybody had tried very well. You said the answer properly. Okay? Now, yes, you have got 5 minutes to leave the class. Okay? So, only 5 minutes are there. So, we can do one thing. Okay. See, all the other thing you can, I hope that if possible, we can continue from tomorrow. So, how was today's lecture? Was it okay? Fine? Good?
Sir, interesting.
Interesting, no? Okay, good.
Yes,
so tomorrow we can continue this discussion part of worksheet. Now please stay there. Let me take the screenshot. Nobody will leave. Please be there. Okay, please be there. Okay, Diya, starting from Diya to Isha, no? Then Divyanshu, Dharti and Dhruvi. Okay, good. So I have taken the screenshots. So attendance is done. So now you can leave the class. See you all in the next lecture. Take care and bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye-bye.
you for teaching.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Welcome,
Thanks for
welcome.
teaching.
Welcome. See you in the next lecture. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
And complete your work. Okay.